as we were discussing about the Tor onion router. What is that? How do we get there? Content that is only available through specialized anonymous software, we use Tor. This is a sort of safe haven for speech. The examples are anonymous chat, image boards, illegal transactions, weapons, removal software, pirated software, media, books, black markets. These are all comes within deep web. The question and the answer both given here. Mostly it is used for illegal transactions. DRM removal software, pirated software, or any kind of black markets. So you can imagine how harmful and deadly it is. It should be easily avoided by any organization. Now accessing the deep web, it is through Tor browser. Now Tor browser is a very much anonymous ring of networks which is used in darknet. So we must be aware that how to stop this thing, how to stop the bad activity in Tor browser. Now the Tor browser protects by unbouncing your communication. The good side is that it prevents you from watching, it prevents others from watching you over an internet connection. But the bad side is that it is used for any bad purposes and illegal work that we need to be aware of, that we need to stop. Unless you are a proper tech savvy, I suggest don't use the Tor browser. So Tor is a network that supports onion routing, a way to help your traffic anonymous, because the deep web is compromised of information that doesn't show up on search engines or has no domain registry. We must be aware of that. Now accessing the deep and dark web. Onion is a domain host suffix designation which anonymously hidden services via Tor network. Now this terms comes .onion. .onion, this is a 16 character non-mnemonic hashes. It is a non-mnemonic hashes. It is comprised of alphabetic and numeric strings. So the onion name refers to onion routing, the technique used by Tor to achieve a great degree of anonymity. The onion name refers to onion routing and the technique used by Tor to achieve a great degree of the dark side of darknet. You can see that in Tornet is used by it is used for very bad purposes like for matrix, praise of Hawala, how to exit the matrix. This looks very silly odd terms, but these are very popular social media forums in deep web, which people are using for committing any kind of illegal activity across the globe, especially in darknet. Next thing comes bitcoins. What is a bitcoin? It is an electronic cash system which peer-to-peer networking use, and payments are issued and transferred by Bitcoin network. So you can see Bitcoin network is not at all that trustworthy. In electronic cash system, this is the one of the biggest disadvantage. Anybody can easily hack into the system and steal your money. But one Bitcoin trade at around $4.8, that we must be aware of. And the capital market is now at risk of around 40 million USD because of this Bitcoin currency. These are those currency which is untraceable from the outside world, and this is untraceable because committing crime and getting money from others using this darknet or Tor browser is very easy, and this trade can be stopped by using the proper set of groups of ethical hackers. And unless we must have proper technology and software available for Bitcoin, this can't be stopped. And Bitcoin is another dimension of ethical hackers. It is not like the regular software will protect. You have to use another set of softwares. So accepting is a free. Bitcoin is free, no chargeback, no fees. That is another point, because the things which you get on free, you can easily assume that the security risk is more there. What do you mean? It is not everything on the dark web is illegal or immoral, but be careful. The main point here is everything on dark web is not illegal or immoral, but you have to be very, very careful. If you are not careful, if you are clicking on any suspicious links, you don't know that you will be traced, you will be taken back to some account which can be easily hacked by the outsiders and attackers, and that can mislead you to reveal some amount of important transactions and money that is not at all helpful to you, at all helpful for any organization. Thank you.